Thank you for joining me today. When we arrived here on earth, when we were infants, our hearts were one with the heart of the entire universe. There was no separation. And of course, as we started to live life, we had different traumas and belief systems, conditioning instilled in our survival or our development around how we are meant to be a good human being. But the problem is that the more that we would think that these conditions and beliefs were the right way to go, we were separating from that heart of the world. And so this Kriya is going to give us the opportunity to shed a lot of that energy or those walls we built up around us, and to help us to return to that one heart, our heart completely connected in the love and omnipresence of the heart of the universe. So this simple yet very powerful Kriya goes like this. We're going to make the figure 8 with our arms, and our chins are going to stay up and follow the path of that figure 8. So it's going to look like this. We're going to close our eyes. And we're going to have a very strong torso. So we want to make sure we're in proper posture, lifting the anal muscle up slightly, contracting that, with the diaphragm lifted up slightly, not fully, navel point to the spine. So when we move, it's really going to be a powerful ab workout. We're getting really in touch with the center, the navel point, the I am of our being. Let's go. One of the things that I like to do as I practice this Kriya is to inhale on the left side and exhale on the right. So I'm inhaling now and exhaling now as I move back and forth in this rhythmic movement. I am being aware that the armpits are opening up wider as I raise my arms, which affects directly our neuron activity in our brains. Now this is going to seem like it's going to get tiring. So what I'd like you to do is imagine that you are flying, and you're flying over beautiful mountainscapes. You're lightening your load, and you're flying free and easy. You have the power within you to keep flight. You have the power within you to leave behind any thoughts or memories or anything that wants to try to land you. Keep flying. Keep up. And let the wind beneath those wings to take you faster in great heights. Enjoy this opportunity to fly. And now we can be entering a beautiful garden. And we're flying over a beautiful garden with lush vegetation and gorgeous flowers, all fragrant and beautiful. And we're just enjoying the beauty of this creation with all its senses, with the sound of the birds, the sound of the rustling of the leaves and the wind. And we are flying along, and we're releasing, we're letting go of all of the past karmas, all the past traumas and experiences that we have gone through. It's in our past. We are now able to return to the oneness of creation, of everything. We are one. We are of that fabric. We are love. We are pure. The power, the engine that motivates us, that gives us life, is within us. And we're never separate from that. All of us, with no exception, no matter what experience you've been through, no matter what terrible things have happened to you in your life, you, all of us, are equally connected to this life force, to spirit, to beauty. And so as we're flying through now this beautiful rainforest, and we're feeling all of the gorgeous sensations of being in the human body, we're able to be more in the present moment. This is exactly where we're meant to be, just like the infant. When we, all of us as infants, came into this manifestation of creation and we landed here in our bodies, we were part of the awareness. We were not separate from that. That's why when you see infants, when you see babies look around, they're just like overjoyed. They're taking everything in. There's so much. And it's because they see the light. They still see the light. We still saw the light. Each one of us, as we came here, as newborns, we saw the light of creation. We were never separate from that. And as we got older, that got washed away. We just had the experience of being so deeply in this world, so deeply in this experience that we forgot. We stopped seeing that, and our mind took over. Our minds took over with that illusion of separation. But there is no separation. That's just an illusion. We just have forgotten. And so as we're flying free and we're giving ourselves the power and the strength that comes from within, that belief that we are still one with all that is, we can continue to release and let go of the walls, of the energies, of all of the beliefs that keep us in the same patterns. We let go, let go, let go, let go, let go. You can do it. You can do this. Stay with it and just let go. Keep the arms going. Forget about how difficult it is. You've had a difficult life. You have been through worse. You can make it through this little Kriya, because once you're finished, you're going to feel so much better, because you are telling your body scientifically through this movement that enough is enough. You will not be separated anymore. No more separation. You are always going to maintain your awareness. Maintain that awareness of love. That love that's always accessible to you. In every moment, it's just your choice. Your choice to remember that the love is here and you can receive it. It comes in so many ways. As we fly over this beautiful land that we live in, we see it simply in the flowers, in the vegetation, in the water, in the wind, in all of nature, in our bodies. Love is everywhere. We just have to condition ourselves back to recognizing that, remembering that, receiving that, and knowing that we're here to live in that awareness as we go through our days with our loved ones, as we work in our jobs. We are one. We are all light. We are all here together with the same life force moving through us. We just want to give ourselves the opportunity to receive it, to love it, to experience it, to move through it, to have this gift. One love, one love, one love. just going to finish off now. Coming back to the center, raising the hands up over the head, nice and strong, big stretch, nice deep inhale. And exhale. And then coming down into meditation. Hands in Gyan Mudra, nice straight spine, navel point still in. Very strong lower three quadrant, gazing at the third eye. Breathing naturally here, in and out. And feeling the sensation of your body, of knowing that you are so perfectly and absolutely connected to the light, to the love in every moment. Every moment. And so, slowly opening our eyes. Remembering that you can do this Kriya. Isn't that great? Try the Kriya whenever you feel a sense of suffering or separation. You can move into this easy Kriya and listen to the guided meditation that we just did together and feel back to the connection of love, light, joy, one love, one heart of the universe that we're all a part of equally. Thank you for joining me. See you next week.